Flying the DJI Air 3S for the first time feels exciting. The drone lifts smoothly and responds instantly to controls. It holds position even in wind and gives you confidence from the start. The flight feels stable and precise, almost effortless. For anyone who loves drones, that first takeoff tells you a lot. And here, it feels like DJI nailed it again. The camera performance is the real star. The Air 3S comes with a powerful camera system that captures sharp detail and rich colors. Video looks crisp, smooth, and cinematic, whether you shoot in 4K or higher. Photos pop with clarity and depth. Low-light shots also surprise with less noise and more dynamic range. For creators who want pro-level footage in a small drone, this feels like a big step up. What makes it more fun is the intelligent flight modes. Active track locks on two subjects and follows smoothly without losing focus. Point of interest circles around a subject while keeping it centered in frame. Quick shots add those dramatic moves with just one tap. It feels like you can make cinematic clips with no extra effort. Now let's talk design. The DJI Air 3S keeps that familiar folding style. It's compact, light, and easy to carry in a bag. Build quality feels solid, with premium materials that inspire trust. The arms unfold with a reassuring click. It looks clean, modern, and professional. The display experience, when paired with the DJI RC controller, is bright and responsive. The screen shows sharp, live video with low latency. Even in bright sunlight, you can see what you're filming without straining. The smoothness helps you fly with precision and confidence. Performance is where DJI shines. The Air 3S flies fast, hovers steady, and avoids obstacles with confidence. The new sensors detect objects in multiple directions, giving you more safety while flying in tight spots. The drone feels reliable, giving both beginners and experienced pilots peace of mind. Battery life is impressive for its size. Each flight can last close to 40 minutes under good conditions. That means you get more time in the air before swapping. Batteries. Charging is also faster compared to older models, so downtime is shorter. For travel and field shooting, this makes a huge difference. The software and features take it even further. The DJI Fly app is clean and easy to use. Settings are clear and controls are simple. You can edit videos right after flying or transfer footage quickly. The drone also supports advanced features like waypoint flying, letting you pre-plan paths. For consistent shots, connectivity is strong with DJI's O4 transmission system. Video feed stays sharp and stable, even at long distances. The connection rarely drops, and latency is minimal. That means smoother control and better shooting from far away. When it comes to price and value, the Air 3S sits in the premium mid-range. It's not the cheapest drone, but you get strong performance, excellent video, long battery life, and advanced features in a compact body. For creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts, the value feels right. Let's break down the pros. You get excellent flight stability, high-quality camera performance, long battery life, strong connectivity, compact design, and smart flight modes that make creative shots easy. On the con side, it's still an investment, and extra batteries or accessories raise the cost. Also, while compact, it's not as pocketable as many drones. The final verdict is simple. The DJI Air 3S is built for creators and flyers who want pro-level footage without the bulk of larger drones. It offers smooth flying, powerful camera performance, long-lasting batteries, and smart features that make shooting easy. If you're looking for a drone in 2025 that balances portability with serious performance, the DJI Air 3S is one of the best choices out there. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you straight reviews and simple words. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more honest looks at the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.